Mahendra Singh Dhoni, popularly known as MS Dhoni, is a former Indian cricketer and one of the most successful captains in the history of Indian cricket. He was born on July 7, 1981, in Ranchi, Jharkhand. Dhoni's journey to success began when he was selected to play for the Bihar Under-19 team in the 1998-99 season. He made his debut for the Indian cricket team in December 2004, and within a year, he established himself as a regular member of the team. In 2007, Dhoni was appointed as the captain of the Indian cricket team for the inaugural ICC World 2020, held in South Africa. Under his captaincy, India won the tournament, and he became the first captain to win a global tournament in his debut as captain. In 2008, Dhoni led India to victory in the Commonwealth Bank Series in Australia, which was India's first ever ODI series win in Australia. In 2011, Dhoni led India to victory in the ICC Cricket World Cup, held in India, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh. Dhoni's captaincy in the final against Sri Lanka was one of the most memorable moments in Indian cricket history, where he scored an unbeaten 91 runs and hit the winning six. Dhoni continued to lead the Indian team in various tournaments, and under his captaincy, India became the #1 Test team in the world in 2009. He retired from Test cricket in December 2014, but he continued to play in limited overs cricket. Dhoni is also known for his excellent wicket-keeping skills and his ability to finish matches with his aggressive batting. He has won numerous awards, including the ICC ODI Player of the Year Award in 2008 and 2009, and the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2007. After leading Chennai Super Kings to 3 Indian Premier League titles, he retired from international cricket in August 2020. MS Dhoni is a great inspiration and a role model for many aspiring cricketers. His journey to success is a true testament to his hard work, dedication, and leadership qualities.